Course. Here is a YouTube script, title, description, and hashtags for a video tutorial on how to build the fact section you designed. YouTube title: Build a futuristic animated fact page from scratch with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. YouTube description: Tired of boring, static fact pages? Let's build something better. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll code a fully responsive, animated, and interactive fact section from scratch using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We'll cover everything from the dark mode futuristic design to the advanced filtering logic. By the end, you'll have a professional component you can use in any of your web projects. Structure: semantic HTML for an accessible fact accordion. Create a modern, responsive two-column layout with CSS Flexbox. Use CSS variables for easy theming and maintenance. Build a smooth accordion slide effect using max height transitions. Add subtle, eye-catching animations with CSS at keyframes, like the rotating globe and twinkling stars. Implement interactive category filtering with JavaScript. Create a live search filter using JavaScript event listeners. Manipulate the DOM to dynamically show, hide, and style elements. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more web development content. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to build next. With our structure in place, let's bring it to life with CSS. Over in style.css, we'll start by defining our color palette using CSS variables in the root. This makes it super easy to manage our dark theme. Next, the layout. We'll use Flexbox on our main container to create the two-column layout. And with a simple media query, we can make it stack vertically on smaller screens for a fully responsive design. A fully responsive, animated, and filterable facts section built from scratch. We covered CSS Flexbox, variables, transitions, and key JavaScript concepts for DOM manipulation and event handling.